As you can see, we've been very busy with the Camaro. This build is going to be divided into 20 plus in-depth videos as a do-it-yourself build series. The videos on this build are going to be separated into two different YouTube channels, one being of course the Coolest Courier, which is going to document how the car is to drive after each one of these modifications. So make sure to stay tuned to the Coolest Courier for all the usual car content, and also check the link below for the second channel, Strictly LTG, to stay up to date on the Camaro build.